Welcome students. Today we are going to learn about flame and its structure. Before learning this, let us learn what is combustion. Can you guess what is common in rusting of iron, burning coal and the flame of candle? They all undergo a chemical reaction known as combustion. So what is combustion? Combustion is a chemical reaction that occurs in the presence of a fuel and an oxidizing agent that produces energy in the form of heat and light. So it is a chemical reaction that occurs in the presence of a fuel and an oxidizing agent. Then it produces energy, that is heat or light energy. What we call as burning is really a combustion reaction. In fact, combustion is one of the first chemical reactions intentionally harnessed by humans. Any reaction that involves reaction with oxygen is called oxidation reaction. So, in the combustion of hydrocarbon, that is combustion of fuel with oxygen, typically carbon dioxide and water are produced. So what is combustion? It is a chemical reaction that occurs in the presence of a fuel and an oxidizing agent that produces heat and light energy. All combustion reactions are exothermic, that is they release heat. So now what is flame? Flame is actually a chemical reaction. The flame is a mixture of gases. Vaporized fuel, oxygen, carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, water vapor and many volatile materials. So these are the mixtures of gases. So flame is a mixture of gases. It contains vaporized fuel, oxygen, carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, water vapor and many volatile materials. The light and heat produced by the flame is energy. So what is fire? The chemical reaction of fire is oxygen, heat, fuel gives fire. So actually flame is energy, not matter, but fire is a matter. So what is flame? Flame is actually a mixture of gases. Next, structure of flame. Flame is a zone of combustions of a combustible substance. Substances which vaporize during burning produce flames. Example, wax, kerosene, etc. So, substances which vaporize during burning produce flames. Substances which do not vaporize during burning do not produce flames. Example, coal. So, coal do not produce flames because they do not vaporize during burning. But wax and kerosene produce flames because they vaporize during burning. A candle flame has three main zones. They are the outer zone, the middle zone and the inner zone. So what are the three main zones of candle flame? The outer zone, the middle zone and the inner zone. So let us learn them one by one. The outer zone, complete combustion of the fuel take place and the color of the flame is blue and it is the hottest part of the flame. It is the non-luminous part of the flame. So see the outer zone. So complete combustion of the fuel takes place and the color of the flame is blue. So this is the outer zone. So complete combustion takes place here. It is a non-luminous part of the flame. Then the middle zone, partial combustions of the fuel takes place and the color of the flame is yellow and is moderately hot part of the flame. It is the luminous part of the flame. So this is the middle zone. So the color of the flame is yellow. It is the luminous part of the flame. So in this zone, partial combustion of the fuel takes place. So it is moderately hot part. Next, the inner zone. There are unburned vapors of the fuel and the color is black and it is the least hot part. So in this region, in this zone, unburned vapors of the fuels are there. The color is black and is least hot part. So this is the inner zone, innermost zone. In this zone, unburned vapors of the fuels are present. So the color of the flame is black. So it is the least hot part. So these are the three main zones of candle flame. The outer zone. So in this zone, complete combustion takes place and the color of the flame is blue. It is the hottest part and it is a non-luminous part also. Then second zone is middle zone. It is yellow in color. It is moderately hot part of the flame because partial combustions of the fuel takes place. It is the luminous part of the flame. Then third zone is inner zone. So in this zone, unburned vapors are present. The color is black and it is the least hot part. So students, hope you all understood about flame and its structure. Thank you.